Okay, I have a list that is ready to go. That means everything is scheduled properly, and now I just want to be able to send it to either my Facebook page or Pinterest or WordPress. So let's go over Pinterest and WordPress and see what that looks like. Now, in order to use this Pinterest direct export page, you need to set up a Pinterest connection. Now, if you go to this page and you see a red error, go ahead and click the link inside that error and follow the instructions on how to connect to Pinterest. Then you can come back to this page and you'll see what I see, which is asking you which list you want to use and which board you want to send your list to. Now, I've only got one board at Pinterest, but obviously if you have a lot, they're all going to show up in here. It doesn't make a lot of sense to send golden doodle pictures to my wood projects board, but I'm going to do it anyway just because I don't have any other boards set up right now. But hopefully you have a board set up that is similar to whatever list you're exporting. And if not, just go to Pinterest and set up a board. So I'm going to click Schedule to Pinterest, and that is really it. It's now going to send my list to my wood projects board as soon as each item in my list is ready. And I can do the same thing for WordPress. It's not that I can only send a list to one place. I can send it to actually multiple places. So let's do WordPress now and choose that same list. And again, if you're at this page and you see a red error, go ahead and click the link in that error and set up your WordPress blog in Postradamus. You need a connection to your WordPress blog before you can export lists to that blog. So I've already set one up, and this is what my blog is called, Ones and Zeros. So I've chosen my list, I have my blog chosen here, I just need to click Schedule to WordPress. And now that list is scheduled to both Pinterest and WordPress. I could go and do it for Facebook as well, but for this video we'll just stick with these two. And now here's where the interesting part comes in. You might be sitting here thinking, well, okay, how do I know when a post has gone up on my Pinterest board or my WordPress blog? Well, one way is obviously you can go to Pinterest and go to your WordPress blog and keep checking to see when Postradamus is sending posts to it. But an interesting feature now in Postradamus is you can go to your sending lists and you can actually see I have sent this list to Pinterest and I've sent it to WordPress. So I can click on either one of these and I can see some information about what's going on while it tries to send it. So Pinterest shows that no posts have been sent yet, and that makes sense because I believe my first post, let's go ahead and go into our list really quickly here. Yeah, my first post isn't set to go for another about 5 minutes. So it's going to take 5 minutes at least until we see that it tried to send a post. So let's go ahead and pause the video, and in 5 minutes we will be back and see what happens. Okay, so I've waited about 20 minutes now, and I had two posts that were both scheduled pretty close together, and since I waited so long, they've both gone out now. And if there had been any errors, you can see this column here would tell us what the problem was, and also over here would say failure, but both posts went up fine. They both say success. And since this is Pinterest, I can click the generated post link and it's going to show me my Pinterest post in my board. So it looks like it went up just fine. It has my text here on Pinterest as well. And both posts went up fine. Let's look at our WordPress now. So same thing for WordPress. We have both posts have success status, and it tells me when they were sent. So I had one scheduled for 9:55 and it went up about a minute later, and one was scheduled for 10:10 and it went up pretty much right at 10:10. And again, it would tell me if there were any errors when it tried to send those posts, but they sent just fine, so there's no errors. And I can click the generated post link again, and it should take me to my blog. And there is our photo and our text. So both Pinterest and WordPress worked fine, and so we just come back here every once in a while and see when more posts have gone up and check for any failures and go from there.